Hi guys, we're here inside Canva, and here you can see the different types of graphics that we can create. Okay, so here in the social media post, we can create different types of graphics such as Twitter posts, Pinterest graphic, okay, for Facebook, Tumblr, and Instagram posts. Okay, so if you're into more formal documents, we can create a US letter size document. Okay, PowerPoint presentation, A4 size document, letterheads, magazine covers, certificates, resume, and yearbook. Okay, so if you're an aspiring author or a blogger, there's also some designs for you, such as book cover. Okay, so this is an actual book cover, not just an ebook. Okay, this is for real hardcover book. Okay, and there's also Wattpad book cover, which if you're a writer on Wattpad, which is platform for writers. Okay, you can create a Wattpad book cover, or if you have a blog, then you can design a blog banner. Okay, CD cover, infographics. Okay, and if you have a business, then there are also marketing materials for you. Okay, you can create posters, menus, flyers, logos, brochure, gift certificate, business card, and label. Okay, and if you're into social media, there are also some graphics for you, such as Facebook event covers, YouTube thumbnails, Tumblr banner, YouTube channel art, Twitter header, Google header. Okay, and if you have a shop on Etsy, okay, then you can also have an Etsy shop cover. Okay, so as you can see, there are many different types of graphics you can create using Canva, and you can create almost any graphic. Okay, I'm just say almost, okay, not everything, but most of the graphics you need to design is available on Canva. Okay, so if you're into ads, you can also have Facebook ads, and there's also different banner ads available. Okay, there's the skyscraper ad, large rectangle ad, and leaderboard ad. Okay, these are all banner ads. Okay, if you're into advertising for Google, then there's different banner ads. Okay, so now let's create social media graphic. Okay, because you can see here at social media posts, there are different kinds of social media posts such as Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, etc. But we will create generic social graphic, which you can use for any type of social media. Okay, so let's click this social graphic, and the dimension for this is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Okay, so let's just click that. Okay, so this is social graphic. Okay, so here on the left side you can see the different templates available. Okay, so let's just choose template. Okay, you can see here, for example, scroll down. Okay, let me just choose. Okay, there are many beautiful templates available here. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so we can change the text. Okay, just click the text and we can just change it. Okay, for example, I'll just change that to this. Okay, and if you want to delete some text, just click it and then click this delete icon on the upper right corner. So let's just delete that. Okay, and let's just adjust the size. Okay, so just highlight this and then click here on the numbers. Okay, and then let's make it smaller. Okay, so we want to change the background color. Okay, so just click this background. Okay, actually this is this yellow, this brownish yellowish design. You can also change that. So just click here on the color, pick a color, and we can change that to different colors. Okay, so if you don't like any of the available colors here, just click this plus sign here and you will be led to a color picker. Okay, so you can choose the specific color that you want. Okay, for example this. And if you have a specific color code, then you can just paste it here. Okay, so I'll show you the color code. So let's go to Google. Okay, and look for color picker. Okay, so there will be different available results here. So let's just click this HTML color picker from W3 Schools, and you can choose a specific color, because here here the color picker here is a bit hard to use. Okay, because it's not it's looks a bit mixed up, so we can just choose this color picker. For example, you like a specific color, for example this one, then you can see the code. Okay, the color code is here. Okay, with the asterisk sign and the color code. So if you like this color, okay, for example this color and this color, just choose the color code. Okay, just copy the color code. Okay, and then paste it here in the color code section in this box. Okay, just paste it. Okay, alright, so this looks similar to the one earlier, so let's choose a different color code. Okay, copy the color code and then paste, click the plus sign again and then paste the color code. Okay, so if you want to change the background, click here on the left section, click background, and then choose the background color that you want. Okay, so there are different background colors. You can also scroll down and you can see that there are different background designs. Okay, that is not just a plain color. Okay, you can see here, just click here. See, you can choose different background designs. Okay, just scroll down. These are all free. Okay, okay, just scroll down. There are many different gradient designs available. If you don't like the plain color, okay, there's for example this pink one. Okay, alright, so you can also upload a custom background. Okay, if you don't want this, then there are also pictures, but you can see here on the left section there's it says $1. Okay, if you choose this pictures with that says $1, you need to pay $1 to use this. Okay, so for example, let's just click this, the flower design that says $1. You can see here there are some grids. Okay, if you can see it, just these grids here, these are the watermark. Okay, this is the watermark, and it means that you need to pay $1 for it. Okay, because if not, the watermark will stay in there. Okay, so to remove the watermark you need to pay $1. Okay, but you can choose the free designs because there are many free designs like this. So you can see here there is no watermark. Okay, so once you're happy with the design, you can just click download and you can choose JPG, PNG, or PDF type of download. So for example, I'll just choose JPEG. Okay, and then click download. Okay, so it's still preparing the design. Okay, okay, so you can see that the design is downloaded here. So I'll just click here and you can see that this is the social media post that we made using Canva. Okay, so there's also different designs. So if you want to go back to the templates, just click here on the section that says layouts. Okay, on the left side it says layouts, and you will go back to the different layouts. Okay, for example here, then choose the design you want and then click replace. Okay, so that is how you create a social media post using Canva.